Hi guys, my name is Isabelle. I stay in a 1,100 over square feet 4-room resale HDB and it is designed by Rezt+Relax. I really like how my ID cater enough storage for my entire family. And the fact that my house have an elderly and a kid, right, she really put all this into consideration when she designed my house. But what I really appreciate is I found an ID that I have chemistry with and really understand what I want, which is Shuwen. And what I like is color. So I think with her own experience, she knows how to match colors and everything. So that was something that I really appreciate lah. And I think you can tell that my house is a lot more colorful than usual, like Singaporean homes. It's less safe and more experimental. And the fact that she can let it flow so well and also make it not too loud and jarring for some people, I think that's something special about my ID. This whole COVID situation, there were a lot of things cannot be done, such as carpentry. So my idea is to find 5 other carpenters to see if they are able to help with my house. And the thing about my house is there's a lot of arcs, and arcs are not easy to do. It's harder to do than the usual edges. I also feel more safe and reassured because before my house was renovated, it wasn't by an ID. It was a very old home, so whenever there were problems, I didn't have anybody to ask or consult. But now that my house is renovated by R&R, I can just easily send over a text to my ID, and they also have lifetime warranty. So if any hinges break off or rust, I can just contact them and they'll help me change.